Okay, hi. I'm going to do a review. I've got a bit of a review vibe going on about the EVA Air Premium Economy amenity kits. Okay, I'm going to also compare that to what's available in economy. Now, I've never travelled premium economy. I just lifted these from the seats as I was leaving the plane back in May. I lifted more than these actually. Anyway. Cut a long story short, we're going to have a look inside and see what we've got, and I believe that these are given when the flight is a night flight. The Erno Laszlo New York amenity kits. These are given out on the night flight. The fan, which I'm going to do in a separate video, are on the day flights, leaving in the daytime. Okay, so let's have a look. I've already opened this, by the way. Here you go. So we've got a nice little pouch. Yeah, nice little pouch, waterproof as well. So that's it. Let's have a look. See what goodies we've got. Right. So we've got a pair of flight socks. Eye shade. Out of the way. Let's move the camera back a smidgen. What we got here? Little card booklet telling you what's what. Toothbrush. Earplugs, which feel quite hard, and I'll come to that in a minute. Right, we've got, what's this, lip balm? Lip repair balm. Erno Laszlo, no less. Face cream, but no shaving cream. Comb, one for the use of. Toothpaste. Okay. Now, it's pretty comprehensive, I guess. But I would going to draw your attention to something. I'm just going to drone on for a few minutes, and then I'll say something. I'll go on to something else. Basically, years ago, my father used to work abroad. We used to do international travel all the time, and when it went on Gulf Air back in the 70s, and on those aeroplanes, the amenity kit in economy was better than this. I guess it's just cost cutting. You know, you get razor blade, shave foam, moisturiser, breath freshener. A misting spray, probably more equivalent to something you'd get in business class today. But that's by the by, that's air travel, it does change, things change, times change. Okay, but what I will bring your attention to, the flight socks or the slipper socks, great, okay, that's fine. The face cream, yeah, cool. The lip balm, yeah, fair enough. Right, the eye shade. Now, if you're flying on an EVA flight, in economy, if you go into the toilets, you can get one of these. Now, these are a lot softer than this. This is quite hard cotton. It's not comfortable. These are very comfortable, and they're free to all passengers. They put them in all the toilets. Okay? So, there's not really any need for that, and I don't know why they put it in their kit. I guess it's just sort of, you know, part of the kit that Laszlo provide for them. But if you're on an EVA flight, go to economy, get yourself one of these, okay? They're brilliant, they really are good. I use it all the time because I work shifts as well. Yeah, soft, comfortable, perfect. Now the toothbrush, alright, again, I haven't tried this, nor have I tried the White Glow toothpaste. But again, put that there, in economy, there is it. Again, in the toilets, get these. There's handfuls of these all over the place on the plane, or even ask one of the attendants to give you a few. They will, they're more than happy to give you some. These are very soft bristles. There is a small tube of toothpaste in here. Okay, very soft, very comfortable, and they're really good. And what I normally do is I grab about 4 or 5 and I just put them in my case or in my shoulder bag. And when I get home, if ever I'm out overnight or doing something, I'll stick one in my bag, and it's handy rather than carrying your own one that you inevitably forget. So these are great, and Again, moving on to the earplugs. Now, I'm an expert in earplugs because I have to wear them for work and I have to wear them to sleep because I'm a very light sleeper. These are awful. They're too hard. They hurt your ear canal when you put them in. Okay, and they're just no good. They're not very good. Again, these are not the same ones you get with EVA. Because I get these free at work, I didn't pinch any ones from EVA, but they're very, very similar. Multiple use, very soft, very comfortable, and very effective. Again, earplugs, yeah, and the eye shades are all stored in the toilets, economy toilets, on the BR long haul flights. I'm not so sure about the short haul, but they're definitely on the BR. If you're BR 68 out of London at Heathrow, these are in the economy toilets. Now if they run out, I'll give you an industry tip here. Come out of the toilet, okay, where the row of seats are, directly next to the toilet, that back onto it, okay, if you look down on the left hand side, so you come out of the toilet, okay, step to your left, look down behind the seats, there'll be a small box, and that's where they keep this stuff, okay, and that's where they resupply it from. So if you're feeling a bit naughty, you can always stick your hand in there and grab a handful. Comb, it's a comb. Right, again, I hope you enjoyed that. Just one word about EVA Air. Brilliant airline. They do fly direct from London to Bangkok. I have been on them for quite a while, used them quite a bit. They are beginning to lose a reputation for being on time. They're late. They're always late. And in fact, the one that went out on the 22nd of January was 2 days late. I knew someone who was on it. Poor guy. Terrible experience. So EVA customer service is not the best in the world. That is worth remembering if you're going to use them. Other than that, the in-flight service is very good, but the customer ground service is pretty abysmal. My one tip would be, before you go, get a piece of paper and write down the number for the local EVA Air office and any contact numbers and email addresses you might need in the event of. Alright, that's just my tip. Once you're on the plane, you've seen my videos, window videos. I haven't done a seat review because there are so many out there on YouTube, and my reviews are pretty crap anyway. But economy is very comfortable. It's got a 32 inch, 33 inch seat pitch, 17 inch wide seats. They used to be 333 in economy, and now 343 as I understand, or as the fleet is getting updated. But nonetheless, good service, good food, and it's worthwhile. It's just their timekeeping's rubbish. EVA, if you're watching this, sort yourselves out, okay? Okay, well I hope you enjoyed that video. I don't want to knock EVA too much because they are a very good airline. Leave a like, thumbs up, subscribe. If you didn't like it, let me know why so I can do better next time, okay? Any questions you've got about the airline or the BR 068 to Bangkok or 67 back to Heathrow, let me know in the comment section and I'll answer your question for you. Okay, so just to summarise, this stuff's available in economy. This is your premium economy kit, but you might be better off going into economy, getting a toothbrush, the earplugs and the eye shade and just putting this on eBay for £5. Okay, I'm going to do the fan kit next. I'm nearly out of power, nearly out of battery. Thanks for watching, take care. Big shout out to Siam I Am, big shout out to Stephen Cohen, big shout out to all my other subscribers in the Philippines or wherever you may be in the world. Thanks ever so much for watching, catch you later.